try this easy throw cast net. We're gonna see how easy it is. It's brand new. It's a 5-foot radius, 3/8 mesh. It's supposed to have a, here, hold that shit. It has a DVD with it, which I watched. It's got a metal ring. It's supposed to help it throw or something. We're gonna find out. I gotta take all this apart. Got a nice cuff, goes over your wrist. But we're gonna try it and see. Well, I got it out of the container. It's got a nice cuff on it. Put it over there. Probably like a regular cast net, which I can't throw half the time anyway. But the way the instruction says, you get it right here like this. This is a 5-foot. And you take middle ways, or right next to you, I think. And you lay it right there, right on top of it. It's the first time I threw this net, so we'll see. It's supposed to start right here like this.
Perfection.
No fish.
But it opened.
But it opened. The first time out of the box. Just like that right there. Make sure you're not tangled up. Loop that over. Alright, stand back. Get back here again.
Get anything?
Nope. But it opens up good. I'm not getting no shad, but the thing is opening up real easy. So I like it. Other net had a lot of problems. I retied it multiple places. And I thought next time I get one, I'm gonna get one that's easier to do. You want to get that momentum. Opens up pretty good. I was a little hesitant about this. That was a gimmick.
There's something in there. Bluegill.
Bluegill. Two bluegill.
Probably the same two you caught a while ago.
It does work though. Like little serial numbers right there, patent number. That's where I'm putting my hand. And just like any other net, make sure you're not tangled up. Just loop it over like that. I'm trying to hold this one a little bit. Open it up. Pretty good. It seems like it's pretty thick. All the
Mesh.
and the lines. Oh, that thing works great.
Something.
I got one.
Did
Got
you?
a shad. See there? It's a big one.
This is what we're going for right here.
Shad.
This is good catfish bait.
Yes.
Do you want me to...
They still open better than most of the time on the other one. Hardly ever opened up. I suck at throwing a cast net. Oh, looky here.
Woohoo!
Look at that.
Three more.
3 more?
Yep. Can you get it out? Yep. Yep, there's 4. I'll try to get a couple more.
This will save money on bait. I ain't gonna lie to you, I sucked at throwing the other one. This one here is real easy. Bluegill.
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 Send him home.
Send him home, buddy. What you do is you get this thing swinging. Oh yeah. Yeah, that works a lot better than my old one.
Give it time to sink and then bring it back. Got one. All right.
Got another one.
After he catches 3 more, this net has already paid for itself. Something in there.
Yeah, got another one.
Slung water all over me.
He should be behind me.
Well, I want to get the water. I see one.
Yep. It comes in this case, which I don't know how they got it in there because
It was all tied up in a knot. Maybe do this.
I'll spray this off with a water hose.
That little round thing needs tucked in. Yeah.
They always give you problems when you try to put it back in something. I'll keep this out. I'm happy with it. Like I say, I don't throw a cast net a lot because it get aggravating. I want something a little easier to throw. You did it, boy. But yeah, I'm happy with it. First time throwing it. But like I said, I believe I can get to 4 foot. That way you ain't dragging the ground with it. So I hope this helps anybody that has a problem with throwing a cast net. But this is what I caught. I didn't throw it that much. Good catfish bait. Fresh shad, put it on ice. Subscribe and share this video. And give me a thumbs up every once in a while. Helps my analytics. So I'll see you on the river Saturday.